Booking a general checkup appointment. Hello, is this the clinic reception?
Yes, this is the reception. How can I help you today?
I'd like to book an appointment with a physician.
Sure, is it for a specific concern or a general checkup?
It's just a general checkup.
All right. Have you visited our clinic before?
No, this will be my first time.
Great. Can I have your full name, please?
Sarah Malik.
Thank you, Sarah. Can I also get your date of birth?
It's August 15th, 1995.
Got it. Do you have any preferred date for the appointment?
Is there anything available this week?
Let me check. Would you prefer morning or afternoon?
Morning would be better.
How about Thursday at 10:30 a.m.?
That works for me.
Noted. You'll be seeing Dr. Mekra. Is that okay?
Yes, that's fine.
Would you like me to send a confirmation message?
Yes, please. A text would be good.
Sure, I'll send it to the number you provided.
Do I need to bring any documents?
Just a valid ID and any past medical reports if available.
I don't have any recent reports.
That's okay, the doctor will conduct basic tests here.
Do I need to fast before the checkup?
Since it's a general checkup, fasting for 8 hours is recommended.
Okay, I'll make sure to fast.
Great. Do you have any existing medical conditions?
I had anemia a few years ago.
Thanks for sharing, I'll add that to your file.
Do you have female physicians available?
Yes, Dr. Mekra is a female physician.
Perfect, thank you.
You're welcome. Would you like to know the charges?
Yes, please.
The general checkup costs 800 rupees.
Can I pay online?
Yes, we accept online payments as well as cash and cards.
Will I receive any reports after the checkup?
Yes, a basic report will be provided the same day.
That's good to know. How long will the appointment take?
Usually around 30 to 45 minutes.
Should I arrive earlier?
Yes, please arrive 10 minutes early for registration.
Will there be a lot of waiting?
We try to maintain our schedule, but sometimes there's a short wait.
Do I need to fill any forms?
Yes, there will be a brief health form at the reception.
Okay, I'll be prepared.
Great. Do you have any allergies we should know about?
I'm allergic to penicillin.
Noted. Thanks for letting us know.
Is parking available near the clinic?
Yes, we have a small parking area behind the building.
That's helpful.
You can also use the paid parking nearby if it's full.
Is the clinic wheelchair accessible?
Yes, we have a ramp at the entrance.
I'll be coming alone.
No problem at all.
Will I meet the same doctor in future visits?
You request, yes. We can assign Dr. Mekra as your regular physician.
That would be nice.
Would you like to create a patient ID now?
Yes, please.
I've created your profile. Your ID is SM1034.
Thanks. Do I need to bring insurance?
Only if you want to claim reimbursement. Do you have insurance?
Yes, but I'll pay and claim later.
That works. We'll give you a detailed bill.
How can I cancel if something comes up?
Just call us at least 4 hours in advance.
Okay, noted.
Do you have any recent symptoms or concerns?
Not really, I just want to stay updated on my health.
That's a good idea. Preventive care is important.
Do you offer vaccinations too?
Yes, we do. The doctor can recommend any needed ones.
Will my blood pressure and sugar be checked?
Yes, those are part of the general checkup.
Will there be a physical examination too?
Yes, the doctor will do a basic physical exam.
Do I need to remove any clothing for that?
Possibly just your outerwear. A gown is provided if needed.
Is there a female nurse present during the exam?
Yes, always during physical exams.
Is the clinic open on Sundays?
We are closed on Sundays, open Monday to Saturday.
Are any tests done on the same day?
Basic blood and urine tests are done on site.
Do I get the test results on the same day?
Most basic test results are shared within 24 hours.
I think that covers everything.
Wonderful. We look forward to seeing you on Thursday.
Thank you, Ria. You were very helpful.
You're most welcome, Sarah.
Have a nice day.
You too. Take care.